Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to break down what really makes a Parisian hotel world-class. What's the secret sauce that takes a hotel from just expensive to an iconic five-star experience? We're going to dive into the anatomy of Parisian luxury using the city's top 10 hotels as our guide. All right, so what is the secret recipe here? To figure it out, we're going to treat this like an investigation. We'll analyze the key ingredients from these top-tier spots to kind of reverse engineer the formula for pure luxury. First things first, and this is a big one. In a city like Paris, maybe the most important ingredient for luxury is the address itself. And wow, you can see a pattern right away. I mean, look at this. The best hotels aren't just scattered around. They're all clustered in the most prestigious, most central districts. We're talking the 1st, 2nd, and 8th arrondissements. They are literally steps away from global icons like the Louvre, the Opera Garnier, and the Arc de Triomphe. So being close to history and culture isn't just a bonus. It's the foundation of everything. Okay, so beyond that killer address, what are the absolute must-haves? What features just have to be there to even be in the five-star conversation? Well, the data really tells the story here. Get this. A massive 8 out of the 10 hotels on our list have a world-class spa, and over half of them have a pool, usually a gorgeous indoor one, and a full fitness center. You see, these aren't really differentiators anymore, a place to unwind, to work out. That's just the new standard. And this is so important. These aren't special perks. They are the price of entry. If you want to compete at this level, having these amazing wellness facilities is just table stakes. It's the absolute bare minimum expected. So with location and amenities covered, the next layer is dining. And we're going beyond the simple bistro here. In Paris, it's all about creating a true culinary destination. You see this really interesting spectrum. On one end, you have excellent, classic food, like the semi-gastronomic French bistro at the Hotel Verne. But to really stand out, hotels are aiming higher. You look at the Park Hyatt, and it's home to Le Pour, a restaurant that's a destination in its own right, with a coveted Michelin star. This just proves that food is a critical piece of a top hotel's identity. And listen to that detail in the description, an open kitchen. Now, that's not just about the food, is it? It's about theater. It's performance. It turns a meal into this whole immersive, memorable show. It's about creating a spectacle. And that's a huge part of modern luxury. But here's the thing. Location, amenities, even Michelin stars. You can kind of replicate those if you have enough money. The true soul of these places, the thing that separates the great from the unforgettable, lies in something you can't really buy. That certain je ne sais quoi. That special quality. And this is where we find it. It's in the character. First, the historic bones. So many of these hotels, like the Hotel du Louvre, are inside these grand 19th century Haussmann buildings. Second, they use that history to give you views that are just iconic. We're talking postcard perfect. And third, they have signature design you won't find anywhere else, like the incredible glass dome at Hotel Verne, designed by Gustave Eiffel himself. You just can't manufacture that kind of character. Okay, so we have our formula now, a prime location, a full suite of amenities, destination dining, and that irreplaceable character. With this anatomy in mind, let's look at the hotel that sits at the very top of the list, the one that puts it all together. So after analyzing all the pieces, sifting through the data, and defining our criteria, we get to the #1 spot. And the one hotel that embodies every single piece of our formula to absolute perfection, it's the legend itself, the Ritz, Paris. I mean, the Ritz just checks every single box. The location is flawless. It has the complete trifecta of wellness amenities. It offers world-class fine dining, and for its unique character, it has a private garden. A private garden. That's an incredible rarity right in the heart of Paris. It perfectly combines every single element into one truly iconic experience, which leaves us with this final thought. We have managed to deconstruct the anatomy of a five-star hotel. We've even created a sort of formula for success. But can that magic, that feeling of true luxury, that je ne sais quoi, can it ever really be captured by a checklist? Or is it an art form that will always, in the end, defy definition?